This video is for educational and informational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Are you looking for a small factory business that can actually bring in steady income in 2025? The surprising part is that many of these machines don't take up much space, they're simple to run, and they can start earning you more than a regular job in just a few months. In today's video, I'll be sharing the 10 most profitable mini factory machines you can set up right at home. These machines are practical, beginner-friendly, and designed to turn everyday demand into consistent cash flow. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any detail. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, and give this video a like. It really helps us bring more business ideas your way. Number 10. Hollow Block Making Machine. This is the QTAJ 440 Hollow Block Making Machine, currently priced around $2,599. It's a compact yet powerful setup for producing hollow blocks, which are always in demand for housing and construction projects. Since the construction industry never really slows down, you get a business that runs all year round. The setup is beginner-friendly. Just one operator can manage the process and produce hundreds of blocks every single day. Each block typically sells for $0.80 to $1.20, which means even a small operation can bring in $3,000 or more per month with consistent sales. Your main buyers will include local builders, contractors, and hardware shops. The smartest way to grow this business is to start small, secure a few steady customers, and then increase production as orders grow. With low startup costs and high recurring demand, this machine can pay for itself in no time and become a reliable income source for years. Number 9. Mini Molding Machine. This small machine can turn simple raw materials into profitable molded products that sell every day. Priced around $1,200, the mini molding machine is compact, easy to set up, and requires very little training, which makes it perfect for beginners. You just place the material into the mold, start the machine, and it produces items like toys, containers, or decorative pieces. Production is consistent, and the process only needs a small workspace. Each product costs only a few cents to make, while the finished items sell for $2 to $5. At regular output, you can expect monthly earnings of $1,500 to $2,500. Target customers include local shops, online buyers, and craft stores. Sellers who offer creative designs and promote on platforms like Etsy or Facebook often build a steady base of repeat customers. Number 8. Popcorn Making Machine. This is a commercial popcorn maker, priced around $300 on Alibaba. It's a stainless steel machine with a built-in heater, capable of producing fresh popcorn in minutes. Designed for easy use, it only requires basic setup. Pour in the kernels, add oil and flavoring, and the machine does the rest. From a business standpoint, popcorn is a high-margin snack. A single serving costs less than $0.50 to make, but can sell for $2 to $4 depending on size and flavor. If you sell 500 portions a month, that's $1,000 to $2,000 profit. Target customers include families, students, and event organizers. You can promote through weekend markets, small kiosks, or delivery apps, and by offering seasonal flavors like caramel, cheese, or spicy varieties, you'll attract repeat buyers and steady sales. Number 7. Q435 Semi-Automatic Brick Machine. Bricks are the backbone of construction, and this machine lets you turn them into a profitable home business. The QT435 Semi-Automatic Brick Machine is priced around $3,000 and is designed to produce durable, high-quality bricks with minimal effort. Setting it up is simple. Add the mixture, select the mold, and the machine automatically presses out uniform bricks. One operator can handle the process, producing hundreds of bricks per day without needing a large workspace. Each brick sells for $0.80 to $1.50, which means monthly revenue can reach $3,500 to $5,000 with consistent sales. Your main customers are builders, contractors, and local hardware shops. To market effectively, build partnerships with small contractors, advertise locally, and offer steady supply to ensure repeat orders. With low labor needs and strong demand, this machine quickly pays for itself. Number 6. Juice Production Machine. Everyone loves fresh juice, and with this machine, you can turn that demand into a profitable business right from home. The juice production machine costs about $2,500 and is designed to quickly process fruits into bottled juices that are ready to sell. Getting started is simple. Wash and prepare the fruit, feed it into the machine, and within minutes you have fresh, hygienic juice. Daily cleaning keeps it running smoothly, and no special skills are required. Each bottle costs less than $1 to produce, but sells for $2 to $4, giving you a strong profit margin. With steady production of 200 to 300 bottles per month, earnings can reach $400 to $900. Target customers include local cafes, small shops, and health-conscious buyers. Promoting through social media and offering seasonal flavors is a proven way to attract repeat customers. Number 5. Mini Doll Arcade Machine. This is the Mini Doll Arcade Claw Machine, priced around $660. It is a compact coin-operated crane designed for small businesses, cafes, or entertainment corners, and it fits easily into a small space. Setting it up is simple. Place plush toys or small prizes inside, set the play cost to $1 or $2, and customers can start playing immediately. The machine runs automatically and requires very little maintenance, making it ideal for part-time or passive income. From a business perspective, just a few dozen plays per day can generate $300 to $500 per month. Toys can be sourced at low cost, which keeps profit margins high. Your main customers are families, students, and kids in high footfall areas. Placing the machine in shops, cafes, or near schools is an easy way to attract steady players and recurring income. Number 4. Pet Food Extruder Machine. Pet food is one of the fastest growing industries worldwide, and this machine gives you the chance to profit from that demand. The Pet Food Extruder Machine, priced around $50,000, is built to produce premium kibble, treats, and specialty food for dogs, cats, and other pets. Its double-screw extrusion system ensures consistent quality and continuous production. To run it, simply add the raw ingredients, set the recipe, and the machine automatically processes, cooks, and shapes the food. It can produce hundreds of kilograms daily, keeping up with large orders. With retail prices averaging $3 to $5 per kilogram, monthly revenue can reach $10,000 to $15,000. Your main customers are pet owners, shops, and online buyers. By adding attractive packaging and branding, you can quickly stand out in this booming market and build long-term income. Number 3. Mini VDP-15 Automatic Inkjet Printing Machine. Packaging and labeling are big business, and this machine lets you tap directly into that demand. The Mini VDP-15 Automatic Inkjet Printing Machine, priced around $32,500, is designed to print directly on cartons, paper packaging, and labels with professional quality. It operates automatically, so once you load the design and material, the machine handles the printing with speed and precision. This makes it perfect for small businesses or home-based factories looking to serve local manufacturers and shops. Printing costs just a few cents per piece, while businesses charge $0 and 10 cents to $0 and 50 cents per item. At regular volume, monthly revenue can reach $3,000 to $7,000. Target customers include bakeries, local food producers, and small manufacturers. By offering fast turnaround and custom designs, you can quickly build steady contracts and repeat clients. Number 2. Single Facer Corrugated Machine. Cardboard packaging is used everywhere, and this machine allows you to profit from the booming demand. The Single Facer Corrugated Machine, priced around $50,000, produces corrugated sheets that are the base material for boxes, cartons, and packaging solutions. To use it, feed in the paper rolls, adjust the settings, and the machine continuously produces corrugated sheets with uniform quality. It is compact enough for a small factory setup, yet powerful enough for large orders. Each sheet sells for $1 to $3, and producing several hundred daily can generate monthly revenue of $8,000 to $12,000. Your main customers include e-commerce sellers, packaging companies, and printing shops. By offering customization such as branded boxes or specialty packaging, you can increase profits and secure long-term supply contracts. Number 1. Automatic Wire Rolling Machine. Wires are used in construction, hardware, and everyday projects, making this machine a practical business investment. The Automatic Wire Rolling Machine, priced around $4,580, is designed to produce uniform wire coils quickly and with minimal labor. Operating it is simple. Load the raw wire, set the measurements, and the CNC system automatically rolls and shapes coils with precision. The process requires little training, which makes it beginner-friendly for small workshops or home-based factories. Depending on the type and length, wire sells for $0.50 to $2 per meter, and producing hundreds of meters daily can bring in $3,000 to $6,000 per month. Your best customers are hardware stores, local construction suppliers, and DIY enthusiasts. Building relationships with repeat buyers ensures steady demand, turning this small machine into a consistent income source. Small machines like these can bring in hundreds to thousands of dollars each month depending on how you use them. Which of these machines would you start with at home? Comment below, hit like if you found this useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more business ideas. I'd love to hear your suggestions for my next video.